Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing Azure and Databricks prerequisites before building pipelines. Create an Azure Databricks workspace in the same subscription and region as Data Factory. Register a service principal and assign contributor rights to the Databricks workspace and storage. In Azure Data Factory, create a linked service that points to the Databricks workspace using the workspace URL and service principal credentials. For testing use, a job cluster configured with 2 worker nodes and 8 GB driver memory for reliable, low-cost runs. Open Azure Data Factory and add a new pipeline to orchestrate work. Drag a Databricks activity into the pipeline and select Notebook, Jar, or Python as the task type. Configure the activity to use either an existing interactive cluster or a new job cluster for isolation. When creating a new job cluster, choose a Spark version and provision 2 workers for predictable performance. Define notebook parameters in the activity and set the timeout to 60 minutes for safe execution of longer jobs. After building your pipeline, validate it with debug runs and the Monitor tab in ADF. Create pipeline triggers for scheduled or event-based execution and test a full end-to-end run. Enable log analytics for detailed telemetry and link Databricks driver logs for easier debugging. Set cluster auto-termination to 30 minutes to control cost and configure retry policies for transient failures. Parameterize notebooks and pass pipeline parameters at runtime to reuse logic across environments and streamline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.